So you're live at this meeting. So please, wherever you are, this is our joy.
Everybody, if I can, Yeah, we are going to introduce ourselves by local government, Are we okay with that? Yes. Our Excellency is here. Excellency to be. Our weighty Excellency that we confirm that we rely on is here to receive us today. Yes. So that's why we select few people from local government. Because we know, because of the rule of law, if we are more than this place cannot contain us. But beside it, we still have more than 50. Well, it's all good. Yes, is that okay? Yes, please clap for yourself. Those who are not meet up, not because they believe about. My Excellency, my Wiki Excellency, these are the lions and the tigers of different local governments. Before I say it, the deliver as I led before, I think we are going to start with Oredo. Anywhere you are sitting, if you identify yourself in your local government. Please, first of all, Oredo, stand up for your recognition. Hey God, stand up for your recognition. Please, Esan, sorry I cannot pronounce that well. Esan Central, Esan North, Esan. Yes, we have here again Igwebe. Where's Igwebe? We have here again, where's Igwebe? Yeah, we have here again, Ego have already identified. Abia don't eat. Abia don't eat. Stand up for your recognition. APC! So we don't wait for them. We told them follow. Abia South. Are they here? Abia never come. So, what there is here? Baba, we said 4 o'clock. Orion, is Orion one person here from Orion? APC. Akoko Edo. APC. Israel for governor. When we are not here. Baba, these are our lions that I rely on. I cannot do we are here to endorse our candidate that will emerge in 2020 general election, Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu. That's why we are here today. And why we are here is to show our excellency, incoming excellency, that with the soldier we are not relenting. We are going to stand and defend our vote, protect our vote, to make sure they get to the right position. So that's why we call on this meeting today. And so lucky, we are very happy that our excellency, incoming excellency, honor our call. We cannot wait for the rest because we said 4 o'clock. So my excellency,
APC, Ezeyamu for governor. Ezeyamu for governor. Baba to Obaseki. Ezeyamu for governor. My Agbaka. We want to try and make this meeting as short as possible because we recognize that some of you will probably travel back out of Benin today. So let's not hold you back for too long. Now, before we came here, there was an event that shows that Ezeyamu has become a movement. The entire local government coordinators for Dr. Chris Ogiebonyi campaign organization held a meeting with us in the campaign office at Etiti. And they said they had a message from Chris Ogiebonyi that said they should collapse their structure and work with us as a political family. In addition to that, his campaign office at First Secular, he donated it to our incoming. So what we know that before now, even though it's one APC family, before now there were different allegiances, there were different loyalty lines. But as we say in politics, we go to primaries on different roads and come back on a single road. And so the primaries have been concluded. The ticket has been given to Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu, which officially makes him the property of our party, the All Progressives Congress, and which adopted son of all of you here. Wow. Yes or no? Go to paper, say ah. And so my brothers, who are the grassroots stakeholders, the frontline defenders of our party, of our democracy, and of our votes, because that's your primary responsibility. The frontline defenders, not being a B. Nice. I give you, with pleasure and with extreme privilege, the incoming governor of Edo State.
APC. Governor. I want us to talk seriously with ourselves for the few minutes that we'll be here. I came before because somebody told me people already waiting for me, and I did not want to keep you waiting. So I rushed there. And when I came, I knew that many of you have not arrived. I left and I said, once you are ready, I will come back. So I was somewhere. I was somewhere when he called me and said, you are ready. I should come. I have listened to my brother. And I also saw the way you all welcomed me. I deliberately went round from canopy to canopy. And I saw in your face what we call genuine welcome. Sometimes people can be shouting your name, but when you look at their face, you will know that they are not happy. For this one, I saw genuine welcome. I beg our chairman. Now, go back to Lagos. I want to thank you for this initiative. You did not wait for the party to call a meeting. On your own, you organized the meeting. You have spent money and you called it because you want to endorse me. Why are we in politics? Because politics is something that takes a lot of time. That time you are spending in politics, you can do many things. But why are you in politics? And I've told people that I'm in politics to assess government. Because the only road through which you can enter government is through politics. And I want to assess government for the benefit of my people, for the benefit of my community. I was surprised when the man you all elected 4 years ago on the platform of the party. One meeting I went to this morning, I told them, I said, the election is not for Ezeyamu. Ezeyamu is only the candidate. The election is for APC, and the reason why on the day you want to go and vote, when you look at the ballot paper, you will not see Ezeyamu. You will not see POI. What you will see are the names of political parties. So the reality is that when you are voting, you are actually voting for a political party. 4 years ago, you voted for APC. Grace of God, this year you would also vote for APC. Amen. But because somebody is the candidate of the party and becomes the governor of the state, does not mean that it was a political party that they voted for. And there were so many people that made that victory possible. For example, many of them, I saw Edo South, local government, 18. And I saw many of them from those 18 years. Then we have 192 wards. 192. Ovia Northeast has the highest, 13. And the lowest is 10. But the information I want to give you is that on election day, we have 2,627 polling units. And a governor can only vote in one of those units. So for anybody who says it's government, must realize that there were over 2,000 people who were in some places representing him to make him win. People also know too that there are some governors that cannot even win their polling units. So let me talk to you now. There are some governors who cannot even win their polling units. And there are some of you here that your influence goes beyond one polling unit. Yes. You will do your unit, you will move to other units. In fact, you will even move to other wards. And some of you are so dangerous, you will move to other local governments. So how come, at the end of the day, you will say these people are useless? They are not important. How can you say so?
It's only one man can.
How can you say so? That is wickedness. That is ingratitude. They said, oh, politicians wanted it to share money. And the man refused to share money. The PDP ticket he collected, did he share money? Yes. Did he get it without spending money? Yes. Did he get it without spending money?
No. 19 billion.
The money you could not spend, you said you can't spend for those who put you in government. Is that not the same money that you now spend for those who say you will not get there? That's why I said that is wickedness. That is wickedness. And you see, nobody is saying, collect government money and come and be sharing to us. Let there be work. Let there be job. Let there be work. I heard they spent over 6.5 billion to renovate the Simon Ogbomodia Stadium. That is not a new place. It's an old place. I heard the deputy governor telling us that the place can take 40. It cannot even take 20,000. But because they cannot want to say the number because of the money they have spent, they keep lying. Ogbomodia Stadium cannot take 40,000. It's not possible. If you go and check the city arrangement there, it will be difficult for you to take 50,000. They spent 6.5 billion in innovation. I'm yet to find a Benin man or an Edo man that benefited from the work they did in that place. Honorary small job that you can see people on the street doing. They went to Lagos to go and preach. And I told myself, does this government think that we are so useless that even the job of a welder, we cannot do it? He don't think that the people are so useless, they have no job at all. The fact that we won't play politics does not mean that we don't even have something doing. We have things we are doing. There are some who are welders, there are some who are technicians. Everybody has much more job they are doing. But we're also interested in government because we want to make sure that the government will favor us. When you see all the problem we have today, the insecurity, do you really believe if our youths were happy, kidnapping can be going on anyhow the way it's going? No. Today, many people will tell you they cannot go to the farm. They cannot drive on the road. They cannot do this. A place where the youths are happy, can all this happen? No. It can't happen. I know some state governors, from their security vote, they arrange money. They beg youths, I beg. For every area, let's have a vigilante group. They buy in-laws, give them every month money to be paid them, so that they can safeguard that area. Because when there is security, that's when you will see businesses. The money Oshomole was getting as security, this man increased it. He increased it. But to bring the money out, that money goes to his pocket on a monthly basis. If the man not a chop, and he can't talk, say, okay, I see. But the man don't chop. Say no other person go chop. That's what life is. That is not how life is. It is wickedness. It is wickedness. And I'm happy that even the PDP people, when they see them, they not be followed. One of them tell me, say, Pastor, don't worry. He said, stone where you see, now they blind you. He said, the money where the man now want to bring out before, make we help our chopper. But on election day, we go make our country respect politicians. Since he not going to respect the ones who are the APC, he go respect the ones who are the by the time we don't finish with them, they go to cry. You know that sometimes, of the man married 2 wives, he don't know who good. So after election, the man goes, oh,
and I know.
Ọpẹ́ ti yẹn. Ìyẹn pa yẹn APC rẹ. I just want to encourage you. By the grace of God, you will not walk in vain. I said, by the grace of God, I said, by the grace of God, you will not walk in vain. You are Edo indigenous. The government, they have a duty to patronize you. You are not strangers. You are not strangers. You are citizens, indigenous of this place. Look, let me tell you, in 1980, just because I come from Bende, if you know the money they gave me, they called it Bostry Award. It was not a loan. Why are you giving this money? Say, are you not from Bende? Because you are from Bende, you must take this money. The money was big money. Because I belong to this state. Not to talk about a government you have to put in place. Government you worked hard, you took risk, you did everything to put in place. May the last election be the last election that you will work for somebody who does not know you. Amen. I say, now only people who dey this place now hear wetin I preach, because people don't say amen. Una no hear wetin I talk, so I will not talk am. I say, may that last election wey una do 4 years ago be the last that will not remember you. not going to talk too much. You see, when I see all these ones, these are the things where they see, where they make me appreciate human beings. Not be me buy this or the share. Now people on their own to make things easy. Now they buy things like this.
So
many of these couples that they see here, so POI. I don't know how they take them. I don't know who do them. Many of them are from our own pockets. Now not do them.
so
By the grace of God, your effort will not be. So please go back to your local government. Make you go deliver.
Now who we want?
Make I tell you. Make I tell you.
Who we want?
I'll tell you. This election will be Operation Show Your Result. Operation Show Your Result. And that operation, make I tell you now the truth. Now many of you go favor.
Amen.
Because what you now fit do, many big men don't fit one.
So
If you really want to count, I do one experiment one time. And I think I won't do it during Oshomole time when I be in DG. We can't win the T local government. I can't say this is not sweet. But the unit will score the highest vote. I want to know who come from there. I can't go track out. To my shame, I can't find out say the unit where we score the highest vote. The person will make it possible. Now somebody like you. Not be my unit. Not be in deputy unit. I found out that the highest vote we got. Now somebody where we not even know say na big man, but it dey work. The result we bring out. And we must go back to the system where we dey reward those who work. Not be say you work finish, nobody know you. Let us go to a system where your result na go open door for you. So that when you dey go place, you go proudly hold your result. Instead of showing complimentary card, you say. And when they go look at that, they will come see the result. PDP 2, APC 680. As you hear the result, say, this is not heavy. I think somebody else, they can't see the result, they can't look the result. This time you can't see PDP 0.
So
APC 800. You know that even the for APC. How you go see that kind of thing? You know, go stand up. Even if you be governor, you go welcome the person. I want to show you that say things go good. Amen. And then they make noise. You know, yesterday I go see the DGSSS. Can I send them go meet Commissioner of Police? Because as of yesterday, they removed 6 of our billboards. 6.
yes.
So I can't go see them. I tell them say, not be say they go fit stop us if we want to remove all their billboards. They don't fit.
At all.
I said, but we just want the election to happen. Make the whole world really see who owns the land. So not be say we dey fear anybody. Not be say that we dey fear. They say that they state government. Which are big. So not be say we fear anything, but we just want to maintain order. Just be like during primary, they say no, clean, make we do primary. I tell many of us say we go do am. But we just sense say do am. We not go fight, they expect say we go fight. We go, no, do so. And by the time we finish, the whole world come dey praise us. They never see that kind of thing before. We say we go do am. They say nobody should not be more than 20. We say okay, no problem. So we go do am 20 at a time. Not be so we do am. They tire. So I tell the CP, I tell the DG, say make you tell them because we get information say Philip Shaibu.
Yes.
Now I call them say how they go allow APC for all this kind of strategic position.
They're not this.
When they go remove am, I tell the man say we no even quick start to dey put billboard o.
No, they start.
By INEC regulation on the 21st of June, we supposed to run the campaign everywhere. Instead, we wait till July. So not be say we move too early. They have been putting round, and all the people who put, we pay. No one we just go any place go put them there. They tell us say it's free, we pay, because we don't want to be seen to be fighting anybody. But we don't put them now. They don't see their own again. Our own they see.
Yes.
They say no, this one they don't agree. When I go remove them, when I go. And because they fear themselves, when they want to go, they'll go for nights. When everybody is sleeping, they go remove them.
Yeah, the wicked.
I say, well, don't be saying we don't feel too what they do, but they could have called them to order. Call the deputy governor. I'm not mentioning governor now. A deputy governor, now I called them. Call him and advise him. Now these people, you not strong past them all. Fela sing song. He say when trouble sleep, Nyaga no wake up. Wait till you find out. So I want to talk now. I go lose small thing for transport, but make una also dey assured say we no go lack anything. Amen. I no wan make una dey worry say how we go take do the election. By the grace of God, people